In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with anything. We'll walk through the simplest path to connect ClickUp with your favorite tools using what's already built into the platform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to find the right options without getting lost in settings. First, head to ClickUp and open the workspace where you want integrations to live. Make sure you're in the right account and workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams. Interfaces can look slightly different depending on your theme and permissions, but the navigation we're using is consistent across plans. If something doesn't appear the way you expect, a quick refresh or switching to a workspace where you have admin rights often clears it up. Once you're in, click on More. You'll usually find this along the left sidebar or near the Workspace toolbar, and it expands a panel of advanced options. Think of it as ClickUp's toolbox. Anything that goes beyond everyday tasks tends to live here. If your screen is compact, you might see an icon instead of the word More, but the contents are the same. From the expanded menu, choose All Apps. This opens ClickUp's integrations directory, a central place to discover and connect external apps. Use the search bar to type the name of the app you want to connect, like your chat platform, calendar, CRM, or file storage. If you're not sure what you need yet, scroll through categories to explore what's available. Each app listing explains what the connection does, typical use cases, and any requirements. It's a good idea to review permissions so you know exactly what data will flow between tools. Some connections may depend on your plan or on having the right role in both ClickUp and the external app. Next, click on All Click Apps to see and connect the tools built directly into ClickUp. Click Apps are native power-ups that add features such as time tracking, automation triggers, relationships, or custom fields. This panel lets you discover what's available and turn on the options that match your workflow. If something appears grayed out, it usually means you need workspace-level access or the feature is managed by an admin. When you enable a Click app, keep consistency in mind. Activating the same features across spaces helps your team standardize processes and reporting. That's it. By heading to ClickUp, opening More, exploring all apps, and reviewing all Click apps, you've got everything you need to integrate ClickUp with almost anything. Take a moment to align integrations with your team's goals, and you'll keep your system fast, reliable, and easy to maintain.